Hello friends, so I hope you all are doing great. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm in अरुणाचल, so रोइंग में हूँ. हम अभी जा रहे हैं एक कार के लॉन्च में, so let's see. वहाँ I hope बहुत interesting होंगे. They have been calling us for like so many times, so like we are going there. Now let's see what happens. अगर अच्छा है and interesting है, then I'll make a vlog and then I'll show you guys as well. And अगर अच्छा नहीं है, then I think I won't be doing anything. So yeah, I hope you all are fine and staying positive, staying happy. Take care. Love you. ये हम लोग एक्चुअली में बोमजिर और रोइंग के बीच में है, नॉट एग्जैक्टली बीच, नियरर टू रोइंग. तो यहाँ पे सब ऑलमोस्ट जहाँ देखोगे ग्रीन ही ग्रीन एंड बहुत सारा फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन मिलेंगे आप लोगों को. या पॉल्यूशन फ्री ऑलमोस्ट 100% एंड क्लीन है. आई स्काई भी देखो, यहाँ तो कोई भी वो बन जाएंगे, पोइट बन जाएंगे. So it's so beautiful and I'm so proud Arunachal ko because I don't know why, but I feel so blessed to be a citizen of this state. I mean, only when I look at when I see this greenery and like all those pollution free environment, only that thing, not the politics and not the corrupt people out here, which is like I know, which is like almost you can see and find everywhere, even in Arunachal, so many of them. But yeah, I love being here because it's like so fresh and it's so quiet, peaceful, and you do whatever you like. You are just free here, you know. I think at least me as a tribal, not talking about like, you know, because when I say like everybody's free here, people always talk about the inner line permit and all those things. So I'm not talking about that. But I, as a tribal girl, I enjoy being here in jungle. I enjoy being in open areas. So yeah, we are now almost reaching. So देखते हैं, अगर अच्छा है तो अच्छा होने पर भी I won't be able to buy. But men at work, tech, diversion.
This is Tri Junction.
This is Tri Junction. वहाँ से हम लोग okay, I'll tell you
Tinsukia
some.
River.
Okay, हाँ, अभी ये रोइंग के गेट में almost we're reaching. I'll show you रोइंग का गेट as well. यहाँ रोइंग इज लाइक आप लोग को सबको मतलब पसंद आएगा. रोइंग इट्स लाइक सो ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत पीसफुल है. एंड यहाँ में मोस्टली लाइक इडूस एंड आदिस reside here in this like lower Dibangali district. So यहाँ पे सब like बहुत अच्छे हैं and then people are really nice here and then we enjoy being here. I think it's been how many years we're staying here in Roing?
9 years.
9 years completed. We are staying here in Roing and then it's like still we are like not having enough, you know, like we still want to stay more here in Roing. Welcome to Roing. This is the gate and yeah. And this you won't be able to see, but there's very beautiful building out there. I really like the color as well. There's one more, but that is not so well maintained. So yeah, हम जाएंगे वहाँ और देखेंगे. I wish मेरे पास भी पैसा होता that मैं भी खरीद लेती अपने लिए without किसी और से नहीं मांग के. मैं अपने लिए बाद में ज़रूर खरीदूंगी. मैं अभी I'm not in a position to buy, but I'm sure I'll buy someday. I'm so positive about my future, even though like things are not going so well, but still I'm so positive. It's not like while saying positive about future, I'm not being overconfident. I have my doubts, I have my insecurities, but still I am positive कि अच्छा होगा. So देखते हैं क्या होते हैं. I know guys, I'm just blubbering, but क्या करूँ, अब रास्ता ही इतना लंबा है and then ऐसे तो चुपचाप से नहीं जा सकते हैं. तो देखिए आप स्काई कितना क्लियर है and yeah. रसिका निशिकांत, if you guys are watching this video, तो देखो कि कितना तुम लोग यहाँ नहीं आके मुझे विजिट नहीं करके क्या क्या मिस कर रहे हो. देख ले. एंड ली, जोसन, अस्वती, मुशीना, रोनी, तुम लोग देखो. एंड ये है रोइंग टाउन. भैया हम भेजेंगे ना, नहीं तो बोले. Hey guys, so we are in the Thar, Mahindra Thar. So we are doing like test drive. Let's see, the future is so cool. I'm so excited and I'm so nervous to I'm liking it so much. This car is basically for off-road ride, but it is so comfortable on highway as well. So yeah, oh my god, this is like so cool. So in this part my voice wasn't audible, so I thought like I'll just voice over it. So I was telling how comfortable this car was, although this car is mostly, I mean, like basically for off-road, but it was so comfortable. It wasn't bumpy at all. It was like so much comfortable, and I was requesting all those who are in drawing and those who want to buy this car can book the car from Mahindra Iconic, which is in Lower Market. So in this part again I was talking in Hindi in very disgusting way. So yeah, I was saying bye and thank you. Bye. Hope you like it.